Alright guys, welcome back to the sixth video of these example solve series. So in this one I'm gonna start white and yellow only. So I'm gonna do 3 videos for white only, and then I'm gonna do maybe like 1 or 2 videos for white. So yeah, so this is only gonna be for white and yellow solvers. So basically I will be sharing my thoughts for white and yellow only. I'm not gonna do any more colors. So yeah, let's get into the first scramble. Okay. So I'm doing yellow here. So my cross pieces are here, 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 and here. And this is going to be my first F12 pair, which I can preserve. So my cross solution would be an R prime F. So, and then L. So it solves these 3 pieces. And then before I insert the final F, I'm just going to do a U2 to preserve this pair, and then an F. I wouldn't see this block, I wouldn't see this pair either, so I'm just going to do a D and then solve this pair into the back. And then I will solve this pair, so, and then I'll solve this, and I would probably do like a Y2 and then solve this pair. And follow yellow. Okay, on to the next one. All right. Okay. Okay. So I'm doing white cross here. So my cross pieces are here, 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 and here. So I believe, so this is gonna be my first pair. So I think, I'm not sure yet, but if I do the cross solution, this one will be a 3-mover. I'm not sure, but I will definitely do this pair first. So I'm doing a R prime and then D U prime at the same time. So it solves this, and then I'm just gonna do insert these 2 at once. So insert this edge, and yeah, it's gonna be a 3-mover as I expected. And then, so in order to preserve this pair, I'm just gonna do a U prime, then L prime. So this is gonna be my first pair, and then this is gonna be my second pair, and then this is gonna be my third. Rotate, and then this will be my fourth pair. And I'm going to do a sledgehammer to force edges, and then Olo, yellow. So yeah, on to the third scramble. Okay, let's take a look at yellow maybe. Okay, so so unfortunately I can't track the first pair at all, so I'm just gonna do yellow and see what happens. So my cross pieces are here, 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 and here. So I'm just gonna do a U, and then R prime, D. So it solves this cross edge, and then do it like an R2, it solves these two, and then do an F and then L. And I would probably solve these two into the front, and then I will solve these two. So I will rotate and then do a keyhole. So I'm just doing like a D, then I insert this corner like that, and then I would solve these two, so these two, so like that, make this a pair and then solve it, and then I would just do this and then insert, then OLO, PLO. Alright, so this was the third one. Okay. All right, so this is oh wait, sorry, I forgot I was supposed to do white and yellow only here. Okay, so it's just a really basic solution, like I didn't find anything like too easy. So I'm doing yellow here, so my crosspieces are here, 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 and here. So, and this is gonna be my first F12 pair. So before I insert any cross edge, I'm just gonna do a U, so in that way it preserves this pair. So then do the D prime, R prime, so it solves these two opposite, and then do an F, F prime, and then do a D prime, R2, D prime, and then I will solve this pair. So I will rotate and then solve this pair, and then I would solve this pair, and then solve this pair, solve this pair. So it's pretty straightforward. And then OLO, I believe, no, okay, I thought it was gonna be a parallel skip, but keep it. All right, let's move on to the last scramble. Okay, so I'm doing yellow here again. So my crosses are here, 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 and here. And so, wait, I can actually do an X cross here, sorry. Okay, so I see this block. I didn't see this on the first glimpse, but now I see it. So I'm just gonna, so insert this block, and then this edge, and then oh wait, I can't preserve, sorry, I can't preserve, sorry, I'm just, something's been going pretty odd with my intuition. So I normally solve this pair first, so I can preserve this one. So I'm just going to do a D prime and then U to preserve this pair, and to insert the final cross edge, so like that, and then D prime, and now I'm gonna insert this pair into the back, and then this pair, this pair, and then this pair. So normally I insert this pair with a keyhole, so I like that. So like the advantage with this solution, with this keyhole solution, is that you can look ahead to the OLOs, because it doesn't affect these pieces. So, and then you can just, you know, go straight to the OLO. Alright, so yeah, this was the first video for white yellow only example solves. Stay tuned for the next one.